Hey friends, let's talk about slow motion in Final Cut Pro. I will tell you about the basics of slow motion and show you a little hack so you can create slow motion out of a clip which is not shot in a high frame rate, but you are still able to create super smooth slow motion clips. So if you want to create slow motion clips, you should keep that in mind while shooting those video clips. And that's because video is basically a couple of pictures thrown together in a row, pretty much like a flipboard, and you need at least 24 pictures in 1 second to make it look smooth, because that's what the human eye is capable of. 24 frames per second, which is labeled as 24 FPS. So if you guys shoot in 100 FPS, you can slow down the footage to 25%. If you shoot in 50 frames per second, you can slow down your footage to 50%. And if you shoot in 24 or 25, you can basically not slow down your footage. Well, you can, because Final Cut has an amazing built-in tool. Let's open up Final Cut Pro. When you click on your clip and click on the little eye in the inspector window, Final Cut Pro shows you the resolution and the frame rate of your clip. Mine is 29.97, so there isn't too much room to slow it down here. By clicking on the little meter here, you can change the speed of the clip to 50, 25 or 10%. But I highly recommend to press Command R to bring up the speed on the clip directly. Now you can access the same menu directly here, or slow it down by pulling the clip from the little handle over here. Now when I slow down the footage to 40%, we have 12 frames per second left. And that looks horrible and jittery like crazy. And there comes the little Final Cut Pro built-in hack. Select the clip and go to the little drop-down menu, select quality and change it from normal to optical flow. Now Final Cut Pro will render pictures in between those 12 FPS to bring it up to 24 FPS. And when you play this back, you get a pretty good, super smooth slow motion. Now, of course, this has limitations. As you can see, the hand is moving kind of funny, but it comes definitely handy and can save your life. Now, as I said before, my name is Eric. I do Final Cut Pro tutorials like this one. And guys, I have a lot of free plugins, so check out all my other videos. If you guys haven't already, smash the sub button and follow me on Instagram, lifted_Eric. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.